Hello everybody, in this tutorial we learn about email configuration with Outlook Client Mail. First, you need to know your email account and password, that will help you sign into webmail so we can get server settings. After successful login in webmail, then we will use all server settings to configure in Outlook Mail Client. So open your web browser, in the URL bar type your email/webmail, example here is felister@digitalbrains.com/webmail, then press enter, this will direct you to the webmail portal. Oh sorry, this information is cached, but to you it will open and empty. So on the email you will set your email account, and on the password you will enter your email password, then click the login button or press enter. If you type correct your password and email, your webmail will open with this view. But to get that server configuration setting that I told you, scroll the page down to the Mail Client Manual setting. But if you open and you don't see a page like this, come here and click Configure Mail Client. It will direct you to Mail Client settings for automatic and manual. Go to Mail Client Manual setting, here you will see two settings, one for secure SSL setting and another one is for non-SSL setting. But for our case, we use a non-SSL setting. So here you will see your email as username, password, incoming server, and outgoing server. After knowing these settings, now open your Outlook Mail Client, which is one of the Microsoft Office product. Sorry, I have already configured my Outlook, that's why it's look like this. But if it's for the first time, when you open it, it will display a window like this one. This window has two options. You can add an account by selecting an email account or the second one. We will use the second one, which is a manual setup, so select it and click Next. Here, select POP or IMAP option, and select Next. Here is where you will put the server configuration setting which we saw in the webmail. So type your name here. Then type your email address here. In the incoming and outgoing server, you will get the ones on the webmail. So open your web browser, in non-SSL setting, copy name for incoming server and outgoing server. For incoming server, copy this one. Copy the name you see right there on your screen. And paste here in incoming mail server. Also the same to outgoing server, copy this one. And paste in outgoing mail server. In username type your email account. So copy this one and paste it here, or you can type if you want. Also type your email password. Oh sorry, my keyboard has a problem. After complete to type your password, come and click more setting. Here, in general don't change anything. Click outgoing server. Here select this checkbox only, and don't change anything else. Click advance. Incoming server port here is 110, make sure and webmail is also 110. But for the outgoing server here is 25 and when you check in webmail is 26. So come on and change this one to 26. Oh sorry, I don't have to delete this. Here is 110. And here is 26. After that everything now is good, just click OK. After all, we are now going to test this account to see if there is a problem in any part or if it is OK. So click Test Account Settings. We'll open the window which tests the account for sending and receiving emails. Make sure all progress is shown completed. If shown failed means there is a part you will be wrong, so go back and fix that error. Then click Next. It will test again to check if it is OK or not. Here make sure status show completed, if show failed means there is a problem somewhere. Now everything is good with our email, just close this one. Just click Finish. So now your account is added successfully in an Outlook Mail client as you see here. To me there have been two accounts because I was already doing my email configuration, so that's why two accounts appear, but to you it will only come one. And this shows that you can have more than one account in your email client without any problems and both of them can work properly. So to view the embedded email test, click this button Send Receive button. So you will wait until it is finished, and this depends on your internet connections. If good means it will do very quickly. But it seems this email had another email so it takes a couple of minutes. Like you see some emails are still coming in. So get rid of them, but after receiving your email testing means you're done, and from here now you can do anything, means you can send emails, and receive emails and stuff like that. So hope you understand now how to configure your email account in the Outlook Mail client. Let's meet in another tutorial.